Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the sometimes boring world of corporate filings. Today we're diving into a Form 8K. No, it's not a new energy drink, but it does have some interesting news about a company you might not have heard of but should. It's like finding out your quiet neighbor is secretly a ninja. We are looking at a report from Cycurion dated April 8, 2025. That's the date of the event they're reporting on, so mark your calendars for that day. This is a current report, meaning it's filed when something important happens that investors should know about quickly. This Form 8K filing means that Cycurion has something important to tell the Securities and Exchange Commission, and by extension, all of us. These reports are triggered by significant events, so let's find out what's cooking. Cycurion is the company in question. They are incorporated in Delaware, which is a pretty common thing for companies. It can make things easier for them when it comes to legal and tax stuff. Their IRS number is also listed, but it's not really interesting for us. They are located in McLean, Virginia. If you need to send them a letter, that is their address. Here is their phone number if you have anything to ask them. The company has common stock and warrants listed on the Nasdaq Stock Market LLC. The ticker symbol for the common stock is CYCU, and the warrants are CYCU, and the warrants are CYCUW. Warrants are kind of like options, giving the holder the right to buy the stock at a specific price. Okay, here's the meat of the matter. Cycurion issued a press release announcing an expanded partnership with Journal Technologies. That sounds pretty standard, but together they've been awarded a $22 million multi-year contract to deliver a state-of-the-art criminal justice case management system to a state police agency. That's a lot of money. And that is what's known as a material event. Exhibit 99.1 is a copy of the press release. It is worth looking at the real thing if you are interested. So, what does all this mean? Cycurion, which you may have never heard of, just landed a significant contract with a state police agency. Teaming up with Journal Technologies, they're building a criminal justice case management system. This is a big deal because it shows that Cycurion is capable of winning large government contracts and provides a new line of revenue. The $22 million contract is a substantial win for a company that you've probably never heard of. It means more income for them, and it validates their technology. It also signals that government agencies are willing to trust them with important and sensitive work. Now let's zoom out and think about what this means for Cycurion's future. This contract could be the beginning of a whole new line of business for the company. If they do a good job with this project, they could win even more contracts with other state and local governments. This could lead to increased revenue, profits, and ultimately a higher stock price. However, there are also risks to consider. Government contracts can be complex and demanding. Cycurion will need to manage this project carefully to ensure that it's delivered on time and within budget. Any problems could damage their reputation and make it harder to win future contracts. Also, remember that the Form 8K and the press release are always going to make something sound as good as possible. So it's important to keep that in mind and do your own research before investing. Cycurion appears to be heading in a promising direction, securing a significant contract that validates their technology and opens doors to future opportunities. The company's ability to execute this project successfully will be crucial in determining its long-term growth and market position. While risks associated with government contracts exist, the potential rewards for Cycurion are substantial. If you found this Corporate Decoder breakdown helpful, please give us a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of corporate filings. Until next time, stay informed and keep decoding.